everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Panna Cotta with strawberry jelly. First, I'm going to make the strawberry jelly layer. I'm adding 10 grams of gelatin into 30 grams of cold water. Mix well. And let it rest for about 1 minute. Now let's heat up the coconut water jelly. I'm adding 300 grams of coconut water into a saucepan. 40 grams of sugar, half zest of the orange. Mix well. We just want the water to heat up, not boil, enough to dissolve the water. Now we're going to melt the gelatin. And this is melted gelatin after 30 seconds in the microwave. Now add the melted gelatin to the saucepan. Mix well. Remove from the heat and let the coconut water jelly rest at room temperature. While waiting for the coconut water jelly to cool down, I'm going to prepare the strawberry. After wash, I'm going to cut off the stem and cut the strawberry in half. Today, I'm using about 7 strawberries. Now let's place the strawberries. Today I'm using the loaf pan 9 inches by 5 inches. So after the coconut water jelly has cooled down, I'm going to add the strawberries. Do this slowly and carefully so the strawberries won't move around that much. After this, let it cool in the fridge for about 2 hours. Now let's prepare the panna cotta layer. I'm adding 15 grams of gelatin powder to the 30 grams of cold water. Mix well. And then let the gelatin rest for about 1 minute. This process is very similar to the first layer when we prepare the coconut water jelly. Now adding 250 grams milk and 300 grams whipping cream to the saucepan. 80 grams of sugar, and the rest of the orange zest. Mix well until the sugar is dissolved. Now, after melting the gelatin in the microwave for 30 seconds, I'm adding to the milk mixture. Mix well. Remove from the heat and add 3 grams of vanilla. Mix well and let the mixture cool at room temperature. So after 2 hours in the fridge, the jelly layer has set. Now adding the milk layer on top. Slowly and carefully until finished. We will then put back to the fridge for at least 4 hours to set completely. Now after 4 hours in the fridge, the Panna Cotta has set. In order to remove easily, I dip the mold to the hot water bath for about 30 seconds. Ta-da! Now let's cut this beauty out. This is a very yummy dessert, especially during the hot summer day. The layer of the orange coconut water with fresh strawberry really go well with the orange milk Panna Cotta. Wow, I can see the texture is very ziggling. Ziggle, how you say that? Whoa, look at how beautiful the slide is. The Panna Cotta is so smooth and the strawberry layers is so beautiful. Now looking at this make me want to draw some cute face on it. Ta-da! Do you like my drawing? Please excuse my terrible drawing. I hope you enjoyed this video and please subscribe and share for more cooking videos. See you next time. Bye!